Okay, it's time to solve these problems, and I hope you solved it and got all right. But I'm not going to go into details how I solved it. I just will solve it, and sometimes when I feel I need to comment, I will comment it. And if somebody has questions, feel free to send this question in the comments, and I definitely will answer. Okay, first one, I'm factoring down. Or you can use perfect square, which will be the x plus 4 squared. That's another way, perfect square. So this will be x squared. If I open perfect square, it's going to be x squared plus 8x plus 16. Perfect square or factoring, either way, equals 0. So answer is negative 4. C. That's it. Question number 2. So question number 2, 12 divided by 3 is 4 plus 3 times. Now, 6 minus 7 is negative 1. But look at these degrees. We have odd 1, right? Which means negative 1 to power odd degree, it's going to stay negative 1. If it would be 6 to 8 at the end, then I would get positive 1 because negative 1 to odd degree, right? We get negative 1. Negative 1 to even degree, we get positive 1. Okay, so we get 3 times negative 1. 4 minus 3 is equal 1. So answer is C. Next one. Here we are getting 2 to power 2x is equal 64. 64, what is 64? 8 times 8. 8 is 2 to power 3. This one, 2 to power 3. Together we'll make 2 to power 6. When base is the same, that means I can drop and 2x is equal 6. And from here, x is equal 3. C. Next one, 2x squared plus x minus 6. I'm going to factor it down. It's going to get 2x minus 3, x plus 2. X plus 2 here, canceling. Oops, it's too thick. Okay. And the answer is getting what? 2x minus 3d. Next one, factor the equation. So obviously looking even at all answers, it has 3x squared common factor, so there is nothing to even think. So taking out 3x squared, what will be left? It's gonna left 4x squared, gonna be left 9x, and then plus 2. Okay, and 4x squared minus 9x plus 2, I can factor it down. It's gonna be 4x minus 1 times x minus 2. D. Next. What we are getting here, 3x negative 2 to power 3. That means this 3 I'm distributing by every single term. It's going to be 3 cubed is 27. And x to negative 2 going to be x to negative 6. C. Number 7. Number 7 is interesting. There are two ways, and most likely this is, since it's asking about coordinate grid, then I'm going to solve by graphing. Otherwise, you can solve it by algebraically as a system of equations. Well, okay, since I mentioned, let me do it both ways. So 2x plus y is equal 0, y is equal 3. It's a system of equation. The best way to do it is a method of substitution. So if I plug 3 is in this y, I will get 2x plus 3 is equal 0. 2x is equal negative 3. X is equal negative 1.5. Okay? And y is 3. If I plug in, y is going to be 3. So it looks like this one is D is going to be answer. Now let's do same thing by graphing. Okay. By graphing. So graphing y is equal 3, 1, 2, 3. There is nothing much. Y is equal 3. Let's move this. Oops, what did I do? Okay. Let's move this down here so I will have space. Okay. And 2x plus y. I'm going to build by method of intercept. Y is equal 0. X is going to be equal 0. X is equal 0. Y is equal 0. So I end up with here. In cases like that, we take 1 point, right? Let's say I'm taking x is equal 1. I'm taking x is equal 1. I'm getting 2 plus y is equal 0. Y is equal negative 2. Okay, when my x is equal 1, 1, 2, x is equal negative 2. So if I provide line, forgive me if it's not straight line. So what do we get? This one is 2x plus y is equal 0, right? So this intercept is going to be the solution. So it's supposed to be 1/2, negative 1/2, right? And here will be positive 3. So that will be D. Definitely. And the last one, 3 times 6x minus 3 over 3. So this 3 and this 3 I can cancel to each other. And I'm getting 6x minus 3 minus 27 minus 27x. So what do I get? Negative 21x and this minus 30. So taking common factor, negative 3, and I'm getting 7x plus 10. D. And last one, it says, what are zeros of quadratic expression represented by x plus 6 and x minus 6? It's the same thing if I write down x plus 6 times x minus 7 equals 0. X is equal negative 6, x is equal positive 7. D. Okay, again, so if you have questions, you can post it. Or if you are interested in more challenging one, I can put really, really difficult ones. So put it there, I'll place it, give you time to solve it, and then I will solve it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like it or you don't like it by the like sign. Okay? Thank you. If you collect, if I see from as many students as watched, if I see you used either like or dislike, so I will know if you like it, if you want me to continue, and I will do accordingly. Okay? All right. Thanks again. Bye.